Are you keen on taking your brand's visual identity to the next level? Welcome to the realm of premium graphic design services, tailored to make your brand stand out in the bustling market of today. Our first offering is logo design. A logo is more than just an image. It's the face of your company, the first impression you make on potential clients. We create logos that are not only visually appealing, but also encapsulate the essence of your brand. Next up is branding and identity. We understand that a strong brand extends beyond a memorable logo. We help create a comprehensive visual language for your brand that consistently communicates your company's values and personality. Social media graphics are essential in this era of online marketing. We create engaging, on-brand graphics that increase your social media presence and resonate with your audience. Our team also excels in illustrations and artwork. Whether you need custom illustrations for your website or unique artwork for your marketing materials, we have you covered. But why should you choose us? Our team comprises creative and experienced designers who bring a fresh perspective to every project. We pride ourselves on our fast turnaround, ensuring your business doesn't miss a beat. Our design approach is results-driven, focusing on creating designs that achieve your business goals. We offer tailored solutions, understanding that each business is unique. And above all, we guarantee client satisfaction because your success is our design. So it's time to make your brand unforgettable with our design expertise. Get in touch for a free consultation, and let us bring your vision to life through compelling design.